I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies using brown sugar. Brown sugar is a fantastic ingredient for cookies because it brings a unique depth of flavor and a wonderfully chewy texture. Unlike white sugar, brown sugar contains molasses, which not only adds moisture, but also helps keep your cookies soft and prevents them from becoming too crisp. This makes for a truly satisfying bite every time you enjoy a homemade cookie. Now let's talk about the key ingredients. For the chewiest cookies, many recipes call for 100% brown sugar or a mix of light and dark brown sugar. Always use unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, not melted, for the best creaming results. Your eggs should also be at room temperature. This helps them emulsify better with the other ingredients, creating a smoother, more uniform dough for your delicious cookies. The mixing process is crucial for perfect cookies. First, cream your softened butter and brown sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, incorporate your room temperature eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Finally, gently fold in your dry ingredients, being careful not to overmix. Bake your cookies at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. To achieve truly perfect cookies, consider chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent excessive spreading. Always use a cookie scoop to ensure uniform size, which leads to even baking. When placing dough on the baking sheet, leave about 2 inches between each cookie to allow for proper air circulation. Once baked, let your cookies cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.